All right, well, it was a Monday morning, that's for sure. The weather certainly a little bit tricky out there for travelers. Once again, the coolest air out to the east, 4 in Bemidji, 3 in Wadena. Right now, Grand Forks, you're sitting at 7 degrees. Many of us here in the Red River Valley and points west, very close to 10 at this hour. Winds have been gusting throughout the day, but they're starting to let up a little bit. Where you see the arrows here, we still have gusts over 30 miles per hour taking place. That's picking up snowbanks, blowing them over the roads, causing drifts and reduced visibility out there. Here is a live look from our Dakota Magic Casino cam. That's Interstate 29. And in the last half hour, visibility in northeast South Dakota has improved, but there is a no travel advisory for Roberts County, South Dakota. Keep that in mind. It's icy and it is a lot of blowing snow out there. 9 degrees right now with light snow reported at Hector. The wind 13 miles per hour, making those wind chills just below zero. A little bit of light snow showing up on the radar. Plenty of clouds across the region. But again, it's that wind causing the blowing and drifting that's causing more of the problem. The problem areas, south central North Dakota through the James and Cheyenne River valleys and much of north central South Dakota, including Roberts County. A lot of no travel advisories in these areas. The rest of us, it gets tricky when you get out of town, but it's a little bit better. Here's a look at the hour-by-hour forecast. And when you see Hutch's maps with these arrows on it, when they're bright yellow and green, that's where the gustiest winds are going to be. Let's set this into motion and show you that we'll continue to be gusty in our southern and western counties as we head into the evening. Hit and miss flurries of light snow will continue, but I don't expect any significant accumulation. Then as we head from the 8 o'clock hour towards 10, the wind still continues to gradually decrease. So it'll still be breezy as we head to bed, and many of us in the single digits above zero. And then we'll dip to just below zero north and near zero south as we head towards daybreak. A mix of clouds and sun across the region. Still breezy from central North Dakota into northeast South Dakota and southern Minnesota, with winds that will pick up during the day and again be 10 to 20, maybe 25 miles per hour. So there'll still be some blowing snow, but it will not be as bad as today. Temperatures in the afternoon reach the teens, so a little bit of gradual improvement on your Tuesday as opposed to what we saw today. 0 degrees to start your day, ramping it up to 15 in the afternoon. Wind from the northwest will become more westerly throughout the afternoon hours, and still watch for those typical slippery spots, particularly outside of town. Everyone between 10 and 15 degrees for your Tuesday afternoon. Now, we're watching a storm system. Take a look at the time frame on this. Saturday, some of the warmest weather we've had in literally weeks and weeks will be upon us. Southerly winds, but by the afternoon, snow, sleet, and rain push into the region on Saturday night, the way it looks right now. Now, this goes into Sunday, the wind picks up. And if this is the true track of the storm, there could be some significant snow to shovel. American model says where you see the dark blues and this purplish color in excess of 6 inches possible, well, that's most of our area. The European model doesn't necessarily agree with that, so we'll keep you up to date with changes on that. Here's a beautiful photo from out west, Litchville. Oh, those roads are mighty nasty. Thanks for sending your photo in. All right, let's take a look at your planting forecast. 16 on Wednesday. It gets better Thursday, Friday, and even into early Saturday when we'll see temperatures near freezing. But then look out for that storm we were speaking of this weekend.
Right, that heavy, wet snow.
Right,
Okay.
exactly.
Thanks, Hutch. They can't